Today, we will be exploring the Magento 2 email verification. It validates email addresses in real time during key interactions, like login or sign up and the checkout, helping you build a clean, trustworthy customer base. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. First, we have successfully logged in as the admin. To enable the module for the front end, we will navigate to Stores and click on Configuration Settings. Here, the admin needs to select the Customer Restriction option. To enable the module, select the Yes option. Enter the API key. The admin can also choose the Yes option to notify customers via email for account lock and unlock actions. Additionally, the admin can configure email templates. After setting up all the configurations, click on the Save Configuration button. Now we have successfully saved the configuration. To check the module's functionality, we will move to the front end. We will go to the Create an Account page to check the email validation. Enter the first name, last name, email, and password. As we can see, there is a tooltip message indicating that this email has been marked as invalid. If we proceed with the same, a pop-up message will appear stating that the entered email is not valid. Please change the email and try again. Now we will move to the sign-in page to check the email validation. Here, enter the email, enter the password, and click on the sign-in button. Similar to the registration page, there is also a pop-up message prompting you to change the email to proceed. Now we will check the newsletter subscription option, which is also working the same way. We will now move to the Contact Us page. Enter the name, email, phone number, and message. Click on the Submit button. As before, there is also a pop-up message indicating that the entered email is not valid and needs to be changed before trying again. That's all for this module. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.